Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So if you are worried about your Instagram account, like someone is using or someone is seeing your chat, so if you are worried, then there is an option in your Instagram application to check like in which all mobile phone your account is logged in, who all are using your account, and you can remove the unwanted device from there if you want it. So how to do that, I will show you in my mobile screen. Open your Instagram account, click on this three line you can see on the top right, and here you will see the option as account center. Click on it. Below you will see the option as password and security under account settings. Just click on that, and here you will see the option as where you are logged in. Just click on this. So I'm checking for my Instagram, so I will go with the second option. So here you can see the list of device where my Instagram account is logged in. So right now I am using in my iPhone 12. It is also logged in Samsung M31. So if you, for example, okay, this is my friend mobile, so I want to remove it from here. Just click on this arrow icon and you can click on logout. So this your Instagram account will be logged out from this mobile device. So in this way you can do it. I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.